It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking this chart for the past few days, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Just an absolutely monster day today. Big price movement. Yeah, the price did pull back here a little bit, so there is a little bit of perspective, that goes into the chart. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within, 7.2 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls certainly made a big step today. And, there's still plenty of opportunity to build upon the uptrend that they've been working on for the past couple weeks. So let's map out a couple areas of support. Then we can talk a couple areas of resistance. Ideal area of support, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can hold up above, or I should say continue to hold up above 52 cents, it's already been tested right there. But if that history can, like I said, continue to repeat itself, that would definitely make the chart look the strongest by far. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would be best case scenario. Taking a step back, though, and looking at more so the big picture of things, in my mind, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it because that implies, that the bulls are in full control of the trend. So, like I said, very simplistic way to look at this. As long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? For me, it's kind of all about this point right here, and I realize the price did go higher, but 62 cents. I'm picking, and, the reason 62 cents sticks out to me is there's just more price congestion around this area. Sure, I would not argue if you just want to call that the level of resistance. But to me, because of all that price congestion there at 62 cents, I think that's more the true level of resistance. So with a good high volume break of 62 cents, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the prices then go to new highs. So in my mind, 62 cents is more so, like I said, that the truer level of resistance. Anyway, slice it though. Fantastic way to close out the week, and we'll have to see how this one closes out, or I should say starts out the week next week and progresses forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.